Alright, I got a few things sorted here. Gloves off. Got my passport on my chest pocket here. If you didn't know any better, you would just stop in line with the truckers, but that's not the way it's done. Push forward through all this nonsense. Hola, hola.
Tú no vas con 3 motos que pasaron.
No hablo español, señor.
Okay. Charlie, one moment. You have copies?
Oh yeah, lots of copies.
No necesario help?
No, no, señor.
Okay.
But I need to change my money though.
Yeah, you have to change.
Yeah.
Hey, Paquito, Paquito. Come on. Hey, listen. Hey, let's check.
He's got a good price.
Yeah, colones money, Costa Rica money.
That's how many I had.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, listen.
Yeah.
Eso de Costa Rica es de bank.
Uh-huh.
Acá, ¿cuántos son en los 1700? 21,200.
Okay. Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Costa Rica. 20,000.
No gracias.
Immigration, mister, es $4 for a stamp only.
U.S. dollar.
Yeah, $4.
Okay.
Motorcycle no pay nothing.
Okay. Do I do motorcycle first, moto first, or immigration first?
The parking,
Uh-huh.
for you stand the passport. One pass.
So
Stand
immigration first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Luego, inspection the custom.
Okay.
Inspection the police. Y stamp y go Costa Rica.
Okay, perfect.
Ciao.
Ciao.